Autonomous Vehicles 101. Autonomous vehicles, also known as AVs, use technology to partially or entirely replace human drivers while navigating vehicles. Since 1980, combinations of technologies like cameras, sensors, and GPS have enabled vehicles to simulate human perception and decision making.
So some of the ways that AVs create business value are they're able to automate processes, and that means that they are able to basically allow the passengers to focus on other activities while still being safe, and that includes things like surveying the road, checking your blind spots, etc. They also are able to democratize data, as AVs are really built on data generation and then sharing that data to fellow AVs. That's good for the consumer because you are able to get the highest quality autonomous vehicle, and also it's good for the businesses because they're able to sell as the best in the market. It also reduces user friction because it makes traveling just so much easier. You don't have to worry about any mistakes you make while you drive, and also may in the future, if the technology becomes advanced enough, eliminate the need for any user friction in getting a driver's license.
Digital transformation is facilitated by AVs in four ways. The first is IT uplift, which will lead to implementation and improvements of new technologies like sensors and AI. It will digitize operations by revolutionizing and digitizing the processes of deliveries, material handling, and warehousing. It will create new ventures, including numerous already like Waymo and Nuro, with potential others along the way, like autonomous public transportation. And lastly, it will revolutionize digital marketing by allowing for mass collection of new data on passengers, which can revolutionize the way that we market.
AV technology offers potential for businesses to optimize logistics and operational efficiency across industries. It can be used to automate the transportation of goods, replacing the need for human drivers in lengthy deliveries, transfer between warehouses, and final distributions. This transformation would aid in reducing labor costs, minimizing human error, and having 24/7 operations. According to McKinsey, autonomous trucks would decrease operating costs by about 45%, saving the truck hiring industry between $85 and $125 billion. Automating this process would also allow for businesses to increase both productivity and efficiency.
The driving force for adoptability of technology is certainty. For example, as of now, the principal concern of AVs is their safety. Because of the uncertainty behind the long-term safety of AVs, it is a barrier for their successful adoption into everyday life. To go beyond the emerging technology stage, AVs need to have defined requirements and oversight from regulatory bodies. Ultimately, as more effort is put into supporting the growth of AVs, more regulations will follow. With the growth and standardization of AVs, they will become truly legitimized and thus widely consumed by the public.